right? So we want to loop something just a few times in Python, not forever. So to do that, we're going to use a for loop. I've got here a program which just does a hey sound,
Listen.
but I want to turn that maybe into kind of like some kind of drum beat or something, right? So I've got some other sound files here. One of them is dum. I'm going to use that one. And we've got two more I'm going to put in there. I'm going to go that TI one. And actually, I'm going to put back in hey. I quite like that one. Let's see.
Hey.
There you go. So I want something that kind of looks like this. It does it 3 times, and then the very last hey will change to a listen. So it should look like,
Hey. 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 Listen.
right, now I want to, I mean, that's fine, but what if I want to do this, a whole bunch of times, and maybe 6 times, and then change it up after the first 20 seconds? I'm just going to loop these 3 lines 3 times. So let's just get rid of that and loop these 3 lines 3 times. It's real simple. All you do is go for x in range, and then just put the number you want, 3, and don't forget the colon. Oh yeah, one last thing, indented, of course, because it's a loop. That is literally it. That's how easy it is.